Hey guys, Paul here from Wind SEO. I'm just going to make a short video showing you some tips on how to improve your online presence with content, keywords, and backlinks. I'm going to start off with content and your website. I have it pulled up right here. And if we take a look, we can see that it's a pretty nice looking website. You got a nice big picture uh, on the front. You got some testimonials right away. What I definitely would like to see that we seem to get a lot of good feedback with, is having either a click to call button or maybe a form to fill out right at the top. So it's the first thing that people see when they come in. I do like all the testimonials. You have the map of all the places that you've done, which is awesome. A little bit of text content, not a whole lot. I do like this booking calendar right here. That's actually clickable. It's functional. You click on it, you can put in, your name and address, and you can book it right away. That's awesome. So what I would definitely recommend is more content on your page. Google tends to favor a lot of content. 1,500 words are the recommended minimum for home pages. And the reason for that is you can put in all of these relevant keywords that people are going to use to search for your company and your services. And the more of those you have showing up in the content on your front page, the more chances you will have of getting ranked on that front page. So now, if we go to Google, the Google search for painting companies in Venice, Florida, you're going to see these ads show up here, which, these are paid for ads. So you pay for this, they're going to put you up top here. Next thing down here, you're going to see the map pack. Now, the map pack has to do with your citations. Um, if we look, you want to get into this top three right here. That is the best place to be, because most people that come and do a Google search, this is the most likely companies that people are going to go with right off the bat. Now, in order to do that, you're going to want to fill out your Google business profile as complete as possible with your business name, uh, phone number, address, all that kind of stuff. And you're going to want to put it into online directories such as Yellow Pages or Yelp or anything like that. There are literally tons of these directories that you can put your business into, that'll help you increase your rank on the Google Map Pack. So you want to try and get into the top three position. Now, below that is going to be your organic search. And you guys, as you can see, are right here, right at the top, which is awesome. If you're in Venice looking for you guys can show up. Now, we could always get you to show up in the surrounding cities on a number one page in Google, which would be great, and it would definitely increase your business. So if we go and take a look at a tool that I use, which is Ahrefs, and I've have you in here, and this is a very good tool to use. It gives me all the information about your website, how you're doing, how you're ranking. We can also research competition that way and see what we have to do to outbeat them. Now, if we look at your UR and DR here, which is basically a UR is trust in Google's eyes, and a DR is power, how much power you're getting from backlinks. So backlinks are going to be any link from another website or a blog comment that's going to link back to your website. And now all backlinks are not created equal. The point is to try and get backlinks that are going to, do good for you. They're going to give you power. In this case, your UR, which is your trust, you're doing really good there. And with your power, you're kind of low. You want to get that up. You want to keep these two numbers in close ratio with each other. So this could be because you have backlinks. You do have a lot of backlinks. Could be some that are showing up as, in Google's eyes as spammy, which is going to they could negatively affect your DR rating. So I would definitely recommend going in and getting some more powerful backlinks. Um, and then you can see you have a little over 3,000 keywords that you're showing up for. You have 1.7 thousand referring domains, giving you a little over 3,000 backlinks. So you do have a lot of backlinks coming in. So there definitely could be some issues with, spammy kind of links going in there. So I would definitely want to go through there, and sort those out and try and get that DR up a little higher. So I hope you got some good information from this that you could use into increasing your website rankings. And I'd love to help you out. If you have anything, you could always reach out to me with questions, and hopefully I can answer them. Here's my contact info, and it will also be at the bottom of the email that I've sent. Thank you for your time, and have a